realtor and credit repair expert. Hey, beautiful people, it's Rickita, and I'm back with another video.
So I'll have the information for you guys. I started with a secure card and it be fair for $800, and now it's a $200 limit, credit limit. I signed up June 2020. See, I told y'all. See, look, he just made it. He just confirmed it. And I heard that you can just start off with the lowest amount, which I believe is 200 or 250. That's why I keep saying 2 or 250. I don't know for sure, but in 6 months they're going to change it into a regular $2,000 credit card. So definitely jump on that, you guys. That's very, very important that you guys start off with a secured account and then turn into a regular account. So I'm going to start promoting that Navy Fed. Now listen, you guys, when you go to Navy Fed, that's like the ultimate. And when something is like big, I always say like big day, like, oh, that's the big day. That's like the ultimate thing. I don't know. That's what I always say. And my daughter, you'll see her because I'm doing a kid channel. She's 4. She always like, baby. She says just like that, like, this the baby. That's like really little. Navy Fed is like the big day, the overall account. That's like your hopes and dreams when you have bad credit to get an account like that. If you get an account with them, you guys, do not mess it up. Seriously, do not mess it up. Navy Fed, I seen people get like auto loans with Navy Fed. And Navy Fed, when they give you auto loans, people's like, oh yeah, I just got a check and I just went and bought the car. And they ended up not paying that bill and they still got the car. And Navy Fed wasn't trying to come get it from them either, you guys. I mean, it's like the ultimate thing. If you have bad credit, you want to have that good account. People starting off with 10, $10,000 limits, $15,000, $20,000 limits. Do not mess up that account, because as soon as you get in with Navy Fed and you do good by them, they're gonna do good by you. So do not mess up with them, you guys. Seriously, they good. Do not mess up with them. Oh look, we almost done with our comments, and I'm almost done for today too, you guys. So don't forget, I'm gonna go live again tonight. I'm gonna go live again tonight, and I'm gonna answer any questions that you guys have. So if I don't answer your questions now, I got a lot of, I'm not gonna be able to answer these now, you guys. I could tell you this now. I'm looking like, oh no, it's a lot. I'm not gonna be able to answer them all now, but I will definitely come back and answer them later, because my little ones are they're getting out of a nap right now. It's their nap time is over with. No, excuse me. What's up, Rickita? Do you know? Oh, here you go. Right here. Let me pull it up so you guys can see. What's up, Rickita? Do you know what my
Thank you so much for finishing my video. If you like this video, make sure you check out these 2 videos on my right. There are more videos as a part of my channel where I talk about real estate and credit repair. And if you guys are really interested in boosting your credit score, think about joining my exclusive membership, where I actually have exclusive live videos and you guys can get access to free credit repair.